Yeah, first just open this up and just unscrew these two, one here and one here. Once you've done that, close this back and you can remove it. On both ends, I already took it out from here. This doesn't have any, so this is where the cables go in. Just slide it out. And then the cables go from up here. Do not remove these ones because they are a bit hard to put them back. Just loosen them up a bit, just like I did. And then the wires can go in here. Here. Once the wire's in, tighten this up, that's it, all done.
Yeah, as you can see, both cables make it very, very tight. It must be very, very tight. It cannot come out. So once this is done, you don't need to do anything with this. You just take both of these ones. Facing downwards, so not like this, but like this, obviously. We do not screw back these yet. First we tried them out. Now I can turn on the electricity in the house. Yeah, test one. Try out both of them.
Yeah, it's working.
Test two.
Yeah, it's working.